Are you planning a trip to Japan and wondering which eSIM service to choose? Today, we'll compare Airalo and Ubigi to help you decide. Both Airalo and Ubigi offer eSIM solutions for travelers. They provide data plans that let you stay connected without needing a physical SIM card. This makes it easy to use your phone while exploring Japan. Let's start with Airalo. Airalo has a wide selection of data plans for different needs. You can choose from various data sizes and durations. Their app is user friendly, making it simple to purchase and manage your plan. Plus, they have coverage in many countries, not just Japan. Now, let's talk about Ubigi. Ubigi also offers flexible data plans, but they focus more on high speed connections. Their service is known for being reliable, especially in urban areas. The app is straightforward too, allowing you to buy and activate your plan quickly. So, what are the key differences? Airalo tends to have more options for data sizes, while Ubigi is known for faster speeds. If you need flexibility, Airalo might be your best bet. But if speed is your priority, you might prefer Ubigi. When it comes to features, both services allow you to manage your plan through an app. Airalo offers a wider range of plans, while Ubigi focuses on speed and reliability. In terms of pricing, both are competitive, but Airalo may have more budget friendly options depending on your needs. In conclusion, if you want variety and flexibility, go with Airalo. If speed and reliability are what you need, Ubigi is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.